Here is how to exit maintenance mode in Samsung Galaxy phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If your Samsung phone is in maintenance mode and you want to get out of the maintenance mode, this is what you need to do. Swipe down the control center from the top left. Then you should see your phone is in maintenance mode. Go ahead and click on tap here to exit. Then you should see exit maintenance mode. Click on exit. Once you click on exit, you'll be prompted to restart your Samsung phone to exit maintenance mode. Click on restart. Now go ahead and type in your password. You need your password to get out of maintenance mode on Samsung. Once you type in your password, click on continue. If the password is correct, your Samsung phone will restart, and after a couple of seconds, you will exit the maintenance mode. So that is exactly how to exit maintenance mode on Samsung phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.